Have y'all ever heard of bell pepper jambalaya? Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. This recipe feeds about 25 people and it's a perfect side dish for the holidays. First, we have to start off with 1.5 pounds of ground beef and a half pound of ground chicken. You can use whatever combination of ground meat you want to use as long as it's equivalent to 2 pounds. Now, this is one of my secrets to make it quick and easy. We're going to take a rice cooker and cook 4 cups of rice. Use your first knuckle on your index finger to measure the water level in your rice cooker. It's a foolproof way of having the perfect amount of liquid. Now top it off and push the button. Now that our ground meat is nice and brown, we're going to season it with all the seasonings you see listed on the screen. Feel free to pause anytime. Next, we're going in with 12 ounces of tomato paste. Make sure you let this cook a minute or two to unleash its full flavor. Now we're going to chop up 1 large onion into a medium dice. I used a Vidalia onion for this recipe. Use the juices from the onion to scrape all that nice fine off the bottom of the pot. That is pure flavor. Let's go in with a few dashes of Louisiana hot sauce. Now to the star of the show. I used about 8 green bell peppers. We don't want any rib or seeds from the bell pepper, just that outer skin. And I'm chopping them up into big chunks. Remember, a sharp knife is a safe knife.
I would like to take the time to thank Mr. Talbot for this recipe.
We're going to add the bell pepper to the pot to let them sweat for about 30 minutes. I'm going in with a half a cup of water to help this process. This is also a perfect time to scrape the fine off the bottom of the pot again. Cover it and let's turn our attention back to our rice. We want to get our rice from the rice cooker fluffed up and ready to add to our mixture. It's important that you fold the rice into the meat so that you don't create a gummy texture from all the starches in the rice. Simply scrape from the bottom of the pot, lift up, and fold on top. Continue to do this until all the rice is mixed in. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of dried parsley for garnish. I really hope you enjoyed this video and please like, subscribe, and follow.